What's up YouTube? I'm Harper from World Crypto Center and today we're back with another video about blockchain and crypto world. Our legal notice before we start as usual. This video doesn't have any financial advice. You should be making your own research and investing with your own informed decisions. Cryptocurrencies backed by gold are getting more popular for traders seeking to escape increasing market instability. And today's project is even more secure in case of a crisis because it is not only backed by gold, but by a combination of human capital, cash, and technology. So what's this exciting project? Without further ado, I give you ILLUMISHARE. Looking at their website, we see their introduction that reads, "From the dawn of history, mankind has given value to money through a backup reserve, the oldest and most reliable being gold." As I mentioned before, ILLUMISHARE has created a new economic method, which they call trust token. It is driven by innovation and relying on tradition at the same time because they are supported by three uncorrelated assets with no limits to its growth and opportunities. In case there is a fall in marketplace, the three assets, gold, cash, and technology, will protect IllumiShareSRG as their algorithms are set for this. The project creates boundless opportunities, as IllumiShareSRG token sets a floor price that always will be correlated with the all-time high market cap value. As long as the SRG market cap will grow, the reserves will grow simultaneously and determine a new floor price. And at the same time, IllumiShareSRG's token price has no upper limit. It is wise to note that it is not a stable coin, meaning there is no boundary to its opportunities. In short, they have floor price, but they have no upper limit price. Scrolling down, we see how they plan to protect IllumiShare in case of a crisis in detail. First of all, they will keep a physical gold reserve equivalent to a percentage of the all-time high market cap. The gold will be stored in a safe room at a central bank in Abu Dhabi in a transparent manner and will be broadcasted live 24/7. Which is really impressive. Secondly, they have a recovery fund, which really is the backup of the backup. Their cash reserve built from the margins between the gold market price and their gold price. They will use this budget automatically for aggressive marketing. And finally, they will have technology in place to secure IllumiShareSRG, such as auto-burn mechanism, assets-backed NFT marketplace, staking mechanism, and SRG Pay payment gateway. Now let's have a look how they will create a unique assets-backed NFT marketplace. They're dedicated to transparency and trustworthiness. So they're creating their own asset-backed NFT marketplace, which will have an anti-fraud system to prevent scammers from uploading scam NFTs and a no-code module where anyone can generate their own NFT collection, buy, and sell NFTs without using any single line of code. What's more, in their NFT marketplace, they will work with only certified companies and focus on 4 unique categories such as tokenization of real estate assets, certification of gold and diamonds, tokenization of potential assets of gold and diamonds mines, tokenization of agriculture plants. Traveling down, we see they're developing their own payment gateway, SRG Pay. And with this, anyone will be able to make payments with SRG tokens, such as purchasing tangible items like groceries, cars, real estate, flight tickets, vacations, education courses in the real world, and purchasing virtual items like NFTs or gaming characters or virtual land in the metaverse. Also, governance voting will be available within their DAO donation plan and wealth fund. And finally, trading NFTs. What makes this project even more credible is that their official partner is the royal family of Abu Dhabi, and they have a commercial license by Abu Dhabi authorities. You can find the license number in the description below. Going further down on the website, we see IllumiShareSRG is secured by Brand Shield and SYE and audited by Cyberscope. You can also see their partners. Looking at what kind of opportunities the project sees, we can see they have a solid understanding of the market. They anticipate the blockchain is the future of economy. There is an inevitable growth trend, growing regulatory recognition, and in addition, smart money is flowing into the market by the world's largest banks and funds. They also see how the inflation rate is at its worst in the last 40 years, which means that the value of fiat currencies such as the US dollar is going down. People are seeking for reliable alternatives and inflation hedges. And gold has proven repeatedly that it can be used as a hedge against inflation. Another statistic about crypto is that people lost trust in crypto. Only 4.23% of the world population adopted the crypto. And the most common reason is the real value behind the crypto isn't identified, especially after many projects failed due to a lack of transparency and honesty about what was behind them. Now, let's have a look at their ecosystem. They are deemed as the most innovative blockchain ecosystem of the year by Entrepreneur magazine. There are 5 pillars in the ecosystem. We have already gone through most of these, like 3 backup assets, gold, cash, technology, anti-fraud marketplace, and SRG's use of real-life value as a payment method. The ones we haven't mentioned yet are staking, which is up to 18% APY, and DAO donation and wealth fund. Now, let's take a look at their donation and wealth fund, which I believe they could create new opportunities for SRG token holders. The DAO donation plan will allocate 5% of the total supply of tokens and initiate 15 projects. The DAO and the community will vote on the top 8 initiatives. IllumiShareSRG will seek a professional and experienced firm that will manage the same contribution issue in collaboration with the company. And as for Wealth Fund, as an initial launch fund, the IllumiShareSRG Wealth Fund will receive 1% of the token's total allocation. To ensure investor and user trust, they will employ blockchain analysts to identify the best investment opportunities in blockchain projects. It will be completed after most of the DAO votes. Members of the DAO will be able to vote, and the SRG team will invest alongside the community at a ratio of 1:1. Now, let's see their tokenomics. More than half of the total supply is allocated for exchanges and gold reserve as 44% and 15% respectively. Burn mechanism is 14%, founders and management gets 10%. The rest will be divided among development, 8%, donation plan DAO, 5%, staking, 3%, and wealth fund DAO, 1%. Scrolling down, you can find the detailed information on vesting schedule for SRG founders and management. One of the things that makes this project even more credible is that we get to see the faces and backgrounds of the team. The team is led by the co-founders Mr. Sharon, Mr. Chen, and Mr. Gomberg, who are all experts in blockchain, fintech, and banking industries. You can see everyone on the team by clicking on All Team button. Traveling down, you can also have a look at the advisor board. Looking at their roadmap, we can see how they have been building steadily for a year now. Looking forward, they plan to launch NFT marketplace real estate category, agriculture category, and donation plan first project launch. In the rest of the next year, they will focus on DEX and CEX listing, the payment gateway, and the launching of the next projects on DAO. Scrolling down, we see an impressive go-to-market strategy. They have been working on ambassadors program, community management, social media plans, PR, partnerships, and events and conferences. All in all, it looks like an ambitious plan. If you want to have further information, you can check their frequently asked questions at the end of the website. To get the latest news and updates, don't forget to follow them on their socials. They have a substantial amount of following on Twitter, almost 40,000 followers. Looking at their latest tweets, we see their CEO, Mr. Sharon, will attend the Token 2049 conference in London on 9th and 10th of November as a keynote speaker. The event brings together leading voices and opinion leaders in the space who play central role in shaping the ecosystem. They're also active on Telegram, having a very collaborative community, as well as on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Quora, Reddit, Facebook, YouTube, Medium, and Discord. You should follow them to get the latest news. The pre-sale is less than 2 weeks, so set your alarms and don't miss the chance to be an early holder of this amazing token. If this video was just for you, please leave a like. And if you like our content, hit that bell below and subscribe. And we would like to hear from you, so let us know what you think in the comments. I'm Harper from World Crypto Center, and we will see you on the next video.